I don't even know if it's even. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise, for those of you who don't know me yet. And today we have something really fun that we're gonna create or try to create. So yesterday the Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande Reno Me video came out and everyone was going crazy about this one makeup look Ariana had. So today I'm gonna recreate that makeup look and I want you guys to be with me while I do it. And again, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a big thumbs up. And let me know in the comments which one is your favorite makeup look, because the looks in this video were just over the top amazing. So let me know in the comments which one was your favorite look. And if you want to see if I failed creating this look, just keep on watching. And excuse my hair today because I finger coiled my hair and it didn't dry overnight and it's 6 in the morning. So this is gonna be it. We're gonna hope that it looks better when I have makeup on. And we're gonna start by priming my face. I'm using my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas. And the first thing I did off camera was doing my eyebrows because Ariana has a short straight eyebrow in the video and I'm not gonna be able to recreate it because I will have to shave my eyebrows. So we're not gonna do that, but we're gonna focus on the eye look. I'm gonna start with my base. It's gonna be the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. And I'm also using my Dior Skin Concealer. Alright, and I'm gonna set everything with my Laura Mercier powder and a fluffy brush. Alright, let's start with the eyes. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a plain cream color shadow all over my lid. I'm going to use probably from the Carly Bible palette. I'm going to apply that shadow all over my lid. Alright, and she does look like she has a little bit of a brown shadow on the outside of her eyes. So I'm going to just use Bible on the outside really quickly. Just try to keep it minimal. Alright guys, and Ariana in this video has a little bit of a wing liner. Make sure it's not too thick. It's literally just a tiny bit of liner just to define the look. Because I didn't have a liner for this, I took a little bit of my setting spray and a white eyeshadow, mixed it in a water bottle cap, and I used this as my liner. Make sure you're using a fine liner brush for this look because if not, it's going to be really difficult. Make sure you're setting your arm on a surface. This is going to give you stability for you to make sure the lines are straight. I started with really small lines. With this look, you can thicken the lines and you can go over the lines later on, which is pretty good. I started next to the black eyeliner just to give me a guideline of where that line was gonna finish. And for the top line, make sure you're grinding yourself with your crease bone. This is gonna save your life. That's the way I was able to figure it out. After I did everything, I went over with the liner brush and filled in all the empty spaces and make sure everything was defined and there was no inconsistencies with the lines, which I thought it was going to be more difficult. For the lower lash line, just make sure you follow that lower lash line. Don't go into your waterline, just stay on the outside where your lashes are. Your lashes are going to get covered with a little bit of the white liner, but that's totally fine. Now I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs liner in black, but I'm just going to line my waterline. I'm going to take a white shimmery shadow to put it in my tear dot. Don't forget the lashes. And then I'm just going to finish my face out, either bronzer, blush, a little bit of highlighter. In this video, it does look like Ariana has a bunch of highlighter on her nose, so I added that. And for my lips, I just use my Sephora collection liner. I try to get a color that is closer to your lip color. And I use my Fenty Glow gloss to finish the look. And I love this gloss. You guys know that already. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I'm actually in love, like in love. This is super cute. This look is super cute. Again, because I didn't have a liner, I used a white eyeshadow with setting spray. You can use water as well, or you can create your own liner, but I think it's pretty cute. It's very easy. The hardest part for me was putting on the eyelashes because I suck at it, so that was the hardest part, but it looks very nice. I feel like this look will look really nice and like other colors. Really, I want to try it out in pink because it will look so pretty. Yeah, this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I definitely do not do stuff like this. This is the first time I do a graphic liner and I'm impressed. The most important tip is to make sure you have a fine liner brush. Make sure you have one of these because it's gonna save your life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun recreating this. I didn't think it was gonna come out this good, but excuse me. It came out alright. I thought it was gonna fail completely. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to your channel and you like this video. If you want to see more recreations, let me know in the comments down below, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Bye bye.